What's up guys, this is Armando. I'm in Woodland Heights Terrace presenting this beautiful 2-bedroom, 1-bath, historic 1920s classic Heights bungalow over 5,100 square foot lot. This home alone is over 1,100 square feet. I'd like for you to look past the metrics of the home. Let's look into the future. A lot of these homes like this right now, especially the historic 1920s, and disclaimer, we are not in historic districts. You don't have to follow the historic guidelines. These homes can be renovated. You can put a second story, you can add another bedroom, bathroom, of course, make it to a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 3-3, office study. And I looked up the numbers for ARV at the repair value, and it comes out to $460 per square foot estimated. And the sale average in this area alone, in a small, probably half-mile radius, is over $1.14 million. I'm telling you right now, when you put a little sweat equity is what we call it, a little bit of money, a little bit of time, energy, and effort, we can add more space, add more features, and especially being close to the city, location is number one. This is priced at $475,000, which is a steal of a deal. I'm telling you right now. So come with me, take a look at this beautiful home on Watson Street, Woodland Terrace, at the edge of the Heights, where everyone wants to move in at a great price point. Let's go. All right, guys, we are in the porch here. This is the front part of the home, enclosed screen where it's almost like a sunroom. It's got the brick around it. It gives it that natural historic feel. All right, we are in the living room here. Lots of room, original wood floors. Definitely can remove this cabinet and put in a little modern cabinetry here. Definitely put a TV space. And along here, here comes the sectionals. I love my sectionals. Lots of natural light coming in. And everything here is open, wide, open concept, because a lot of these homes are very enclosed. So I love the look of this living room here. We have the dining room space here. Right behind me is the kitchen. And also we are gonna come over to the utility room. Interesting place to put a utility room. I'm not sure if I'd keep it, maybe so. Maybe wall up this accordion door here and make it a quick little walk-in closet. Maybe remove it, plug it up, open the space, and put the washer dryer connections in the garage in the backyard. But I mean, lots of great things to play with in this space. Now we're in the kitchen, 1920s kitchen with, I like this tile here. I mean, this tile doesn't go out of style. And I mean, huge wide kitchen. This is another great space that you can definitely play around with or just keep it as is. All right, we are in the primary bedroom, I would say. And we have a nice big long closet, pretty deep. You can play around with, maybe make it modernized, get a little bit bigger. And then the windows, lots of windows here. We have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 windows. So if you can see, lots of natural light coming in, seeing from the side to the backyard. 1 bathroom in this house. I would definitely add another bathroom to maximize the space and your dollar amount and the sweat equity that we're talking about in the beginning. 1920s tile with a great, awesome 1920s sink. I love the charm. Also, you have the stand-up shower, you have the linen shelving, and then also a big deep closet where you can put all your bedding and all that. We are in the second bedroom. As you can see, we don't have any light, but I would definitely install a fan with the light, maybe some track lighting in here, make it a little bit more luminous. You have the 2 windows here, and then you also have the double French doors that leads out to the front porch, which is another great thing. You can exit from the front or the back with the alley access with your car back there. All right, thank y'all for coming with me on this great investment opportunity off of Watson Street in Woodlands Terrace. And I mean, there's a lot of great things that you can do to this property to stretch that sweat equity dollar amount to possibly reach that $1.14 million home valuation that has been selling this past year in this small little pocket area. Little disclaimer, I am not the listing agent. My friend Anthony Bianchi, who helped make all this happen, like a shout out to you, Anthony. I don't represent the seller. I represent opportunities for you, Mr. and Mrs. Buyer, to possibly sell from Spring, Woodlands, Katy. Maybe you're in Leak City, Clear Lake, and you want to get in the city from maybe a job relocation, school, or what have you. A lot of familial, a lot of people moving in for family. I'd love to talk with you about real estate and how we can help you sell and buy at the same time. We can definitely make that happen. Thanks again for coming with me, and I'll see you on the next tour.